So I love doing diamond painting, but one of the biggest challenges is keeping these little tiny drills organized. So I wanted to show you this system right here. So this was sent to me to try out. So let's unbox it and take a look inside. Right, so there's 50 pieces of these individualized container, and then it did come with 715 labels. So there's different numbers. So you do have some plain ones back here that you can use just to label on your own. What makes this different is that each container works as both a storage box and a tray. Instead of constantly pouring drills back and forth between containers and trays, you can keep everything together in one place. This set comes with 50 individual containers and over 700 labels, making it easy to organize colors and quickly find exactly what you need for your project. I also like the groove tray design because a gentle shake helps line up the drills, making them easier to pick up with your pen tool. Now that I've got everything organized, this is where I really appreciate having a system like this. Instead of digging through little bags trying to find the right color, I can just grab the container I need and keep working. It makes the whole process feel a lot more relaxing and honestly lets me focus on the project instead of the mess. If you do diamond paintings regularly, you know how much of a difference that can make. All right, I really like this system because it makes it more enjoyable when things are organized. Plus this lid right here has a locking system, and when I try and lift it up, it's easy. So I do have nails, and that just is a plus to me. So it is a locking system, so it's not going to spill out. And then this just keeps me organized. I can just work on one thing at a time and actually have a peaceful time doing this. So whether you're new at diamond painting or you're an enthusiast, this system is going to make things more enjoyable. Plus, you won't have things sticking to you and sticking all over the place. It's just more organized. So if you are looking for a diamond painting storage, you should definitely check this one out.